Okay, this is a quick view of the Nomatic vacuum bag. This size is an XL. There's a can, 12-ounce soda can, to give you an idea of the scale. So this is completely packed. First, we're going to look at the weight of this. There's a lot of stuff in here, okay? It's about, for this experiment, here's all the stuff that packed in the bag. Here's a puff jacket, 2 fleece jackets, underwear, merino long sleeve, another merino long sleeve, t-shirt, bike outfit, and 4 pairs of pants. Now, from my experience in international travel and ultralight backpacking, that would be very difficult to fit in an ordinary stuff sack. Thus, the attraction of using the Nomatic XL. Packing, if you can see this, it's important to stack the contents that you're putting in the bag, stack them more so that they more or less fit in the shape of the rectangle on the bottom. You can see that rectangle is reflected here on the base. There'll be extra room on the sides when you do that, which is desirable. All right, now, I guess I'll pack these in here really quick. Many people have found it very frustrating that the bag they think leaks after they complete the seal on these Ziploc strips. So I've had experience backpacking with water containers, for example the Platypus, which have the same type of Ziploc seal. And it's not explained by Nomatic's website. They have a video of this, nor by any of the videos that I saw on YouTube, that these things take a deal of force to put into a seal properly. So one idea that you can do to help that seal is very simple. Here's a damper rag. Just going to run that around the Ziploc and take away a little bit of the friction. And then as you start, you may not be able to hear this, but they actually snap. It's not like a Ziploc bag. They have to, the seal has to snap. Hear that? Hear it snapping? So you go through, takes a few minutes. It's not particularly easy. I feel like I'm missing one of the snaps there. Sometimes it crosses over a little bit. Felt that. There it goes. Snapping. Crossing over there a little bit. So if you don't like the extra work that it takes to seal these things, then just send it back. This is part of the system. It's not easy. You don't want it to leak. I've Okay, I think those are sealed. Now the next step, as I do it, you open the valve. You can kneel on it like so. Don't do it too quickly. Okay, here I'm kneeling on it. Here's some air escape. And then you can roll this a time or two. That helps the seals stay in place. Kneel on it again, let some more air out. As much air out as you can. Seal it. And I mean, that's basically it. I can get a little more air out by compressing it vertically like this. Do that. And I mean, that only took a few minutes. So here you see it's in the right shape. You got the sealed bottom. And I'm not really sure of the proper method to attach these. I just run it across the bottom. You can tighten these up a little bit if you wish. Squeeze any extra air that might be in there, of which there's none. So anyway, that's basically it, and I just wanted folks to know that it does take some effort to make that seal, but I've left this bag overnight, sealed like this, sealed properly I should say, and that seal does hold. So there are a lot of reviews on the Nomatic website about this bag. Oh, the seal leaks, 1 star, 2 star, and you can blame Nomatic for some of these bad reviews because they didn't really explain to people that you've got to really know what you're doing to seal that zip lock. It takes some work, practice at home, but in the end the rewards are worth it because you saw all the things that are in that bag now.